We recently shared at Excel Church about our plans for Mission 25. Yes, it's so exciting. We've got 6 opportunities for everyone to get involved in here at church, in the local community, nationally in the UK, and even abroad in Spain and Uganda with the Watoto's Children's Choir. So guys, there's lots for you to sign up for. So why don't you head to our website, sign up there with your interest in those opportunities that we've got out there. We want to get as many people involved in this, and we want to make a difference for Jesus with the gospel. So get involved, guys, sign up with your interest, and we can't wait to do Mission 25 together. To Excel Church, have you joined us in like the last 3 to 6 months? Well, we'd love to buy you a drink and tell you a little bit more about church and who we are as leadership here at Excel Church. So why don't you come along to Costa Coffee at Key Junction, Willen Hall, around 6 p.m. on Thursday the 10th of October. It'll be a great time to just chat a bit more, get to know you, and you'll get a free coffee. So come along for that if you're new to Excel Church.
Your praises echo through the streets, and I know that you will save me. I know that you...
Ladies, our annual Women's Conference Devoted is happening, and it's nearly here. It's just a few weeks away, and we can't wait to spend that Saturday with you. So make sure you've got your tickets, make sure that you've invited a friend and got their ticket for them, and that you join us for that Saturday for some encouragement and inspiration. We're going to be joined with a guest speaker, and it's going to be a great time. Her name's Sarah Small, and she's from Manchester, from the Eden Project. So we can't wait to have her with us as well. So make sure you come along for that Saturday, and we'll have some great fun together.
How majestic is your name in all the earth.
Gentlemen, listen up, because we've got another Courageous Men's event coming up. Yes, we're going to be doing something called Goals and Curry. So you can come and have curry, a buffet, lots of different choices of what you can have. And then we're going to have some competitions with some goals that we're going to have set up. So we really want you to be involved in this, and maybe even bring a friend along as well if you can. It's going to be £15, and you can book in right now via our website. So do not miss out. Book in today. Help us, please, by booking in early. And we're going to have a great time, men, together for that event on the 19th of October.
So this week on Wednesday is our prayer and Bible study, so make sure you join us for that if you're around from 7:30. And next week is our baptismal service, so make sure you come along for both services to see our candidates get baptised.